we are with fourth problem solving class on frequency response analysis. The first question, that is the 14th question of this frequency response analysis is the Bode plot of the transfer function. Transfer function is given here, is shown below. This is the Bode plot. The value of a by bk is, the value of a by bk is, and this question has been asked in GATE 2014 S1. So let us try to solve it. Transfer function is gs equal to k multiplied by 1 plus 0.5s into 1 plus as divided by s into 1 plus s by 8, 1 plus bs, 1 plus s by 36. Now, as we can see from this transfer function, the corner frequencies are at 8, 1 by b, 36, 1 by 0.5 and 1 by a. So the corner frequencies are, let me write the corner frequencies. From the above, corner frequencies are at 1 by 0.5, that is 2 radian per second, comma 1 by a radian per second, comma this is 1 by 8, this is s by 8, so 8 radian per second, comma 1 by b radian per second, and 36 radian per second. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 corner frequencies. Let us try to locate it in figure. So this is 2 radian per second is here, 8 radian per second is here, and so let us try to mark this 2 radian per second is given, 8 radian per second is given, and 36 radian per second is given. So the two corner frequencies are unknown, that is 1 by a radian per second and 1 by b radian per second. So this 4 and this 12 maybe those frequencies 1 by a and 1 by b radian per second. So which one is 1 by a and which one is 1 by b, we will see how to evaluate this term. Now as we can see that this slope is this is minus 6 dB per octave, and it is written that minus 6 dB per octave equal to minus 20 dB per decade. And here we can see that it is from 0.01 to 8. So let us first calculate what is the value of this point. What is the value of this point in magnitude? So let us calculate what is the value of this in dB. So it is 0.01 to 8. So how many octave and how many decades are there required to take the point of 0.01 to 8? So let us calculate first. So if we divide 8 by 0.01, if we divide 0.8 by 0.1, here 8 by 0.01, let us divide here only 8 by 0.01. 0.01, then it will give 8 by 0.01, then it will give nothing but 800. So if we factorize this in terms of decade and octave, then how much we will get? So in terms of we can write it like 8 multiplied by 100. 8 multiplied by 100. So it is 8 multiplied by 100. Now we can again factorize it like that, 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 10 to the power 2. So it means from this point to this point we need 3 octave and 2 decade. So we can write here it as equal to 3 octave plus 2 decade. 3 octave plus 2 decade. Now what should be the value of this one? If the distance from point 0, 1 to 8 is 3 octave plus 2 decade. So it is minus 6 dB per octave. It is written that it is minus 6 dB per octave. That means that is here the slope is minus 6 dB per octave, and here we have to travel from here to here. The distance is 3 octaves. So 3 octave means minus 6 multiplied by 8. So we have to go minus 6 multiplied by 3 means minus 18, and 2 decade means minus 20 multiplied by 2. So in terms of dB, this will be, so from here we can write the drop will be equal to the drop from point 0, 1 to 8 in the graph, in this line. Let me write here. Now the drop of line from, or you can say the drop of line, or you can say the drop of extended line, because we are calculating the drop of vertical drop, the vertical drop from of this line from point 0, 1 to 8. So the drop of the extended line, the drop of the extended line or the vertical drop of extended line from point 0.01 radian per second to 8 radian per second. This will be nothing but 3 multiplied by minus 6 plus 2 multiplied by minus 10. So it will be equal to minus 18 minus 40. So it will be equal to minus 58 dB. So this drop is equal to minus 58 dB. Means this point when we travel from this point means point 0, 1, from this point to this point, then the vertical drop is equal to minus 58. Minus 58 means this magnitude is 58. So now we can write here this magnitude as 58. Now we can write here this as 58 dB. Now this is 58 dB. Now from here to here, from this point to this point, what is the drop? We can calculate the drop. So from point 0, 1 to 1, 1 will lie somewhere in between. So let me mark 1 here. Let me mark 1, this 1 here, 1 here, and again let me point out on the graph here. So the point 1 means 1 radian per second will lie in between point 0, 1 to 2. So now we can calculate the drop between point 0, 1 to 1. So what is the dB? What is the decade between point 0, 1 to 1? So the number of decades between point 0, 1 to 1. Let me calculate here. The total decade between point 0, 1 radian per second to 1 radian per second. This will be equal to 1 divided by 0.01, so it is equal to 100. So we can write it as 10 to the power 2. That is, so it will be equal to 2, because what is the power of 10? That will indicate the decade. So 2 decade. Let me write it in bracket. Now the drop between, let me so now the drop between this drop will be how much? So let us indicate this drop as we can indicate here. So this drop. So what will be this drop? This drop, since the distance between point 0, 1 to 1 is 2 decade. So the drop will be due to 2 decade, and in 1 decade the drop is minus 20 dB per decade, because the slope is minus 20 dB per decade here. So the drop will be minus 20, or you can say minus 20 multiplied by 2. So this drop will be 40 dB. So drop between the vertical drop between the point 0.01 radian per second to 1 radian per second, this will be equal to 2 multiplied by minus 20, means minus 40 dB. So we can write here this as 40 dB. Actually this is 58 dB and this is 40 dB. So but use this is only indicative, this is not on a scale. So let us assume this is 40 dB, because it should be like that here, this one 40 dB, because this is 58 dB. So it is only indicative. You assume that this one is 40 dB. Okay, so if this one is 40 dB, so how much is this one? This one. So this one must be, this from here to here, this point, this one must be 18 dB, because this is 58 minus 40. So now we can write here so this one is 18 dB. Now here we can see that there is a pole, there is also a pole at origin, and this pole, if there has been no zeros like this, and there has been no pole, if the expression is like 1 by s only, there is only one pole, then this graph, this line must pass through point 1. But this much uplift is only due to this k. This k is only responsible for this much uplift. This much uplift means 18 dB uplift, because all the poles and zeros are lying right to point 1. There is no pole or zero. There is no corner frequency. Sorry, there is no corner frequency before 1. So only this k. These are not responsible. These are not contributing. This zero, this pole, this pole. These are not contributing, because these are coming at 2, 4, 8, 12, and 36. These are coming right to the point 1. So only this k is contributing with 1 by s. If this k has not been there, then this graph must pass through this point 1. So this much uplift is due to only k. So what is the value of? So we can calculate the value of k. The contribution due to k in Bode plot is equal to 20 log k. So now we can write here, this one is equal to, this one is nothing but, this one is equal to 20 log k. Or here we can write $20 log k. Okay. Now it is clear to all of you why this 20 log k is equal to 18 dB. Now let us calculate the value of k. So 20 log k, this one is equal to 18. Now from here we can write log k is equal to 18 by 20, that means 0.9. This is 0.9. So k is nothing but 10 to the power 0.9. From here we can write k is nothing but 10 to the power 0.9. Now as we can see that there is a zero, and this zero has the corner frequency 1 by a. So this zero is responsible for here this uplift, because here the slope is changing from 0 to 6 dB per octave. So this is nothing but, this corner frequency is nothing but, this is 1 by a. This is 1 by a. Again there is a pole with corner frequency 1 by b, and this pole is responsible for, so where there is pole, so there this pole is unknown at 12, so this is the pole, this is the corner frequency of that pole, this one pole, because here again the slope is changing from 0 dB per octave to -6 dB per octave. So this is the corner frequency 1 by b. 1 by a is 4 and 1 by b is 8, no 12. Now we can write here, 1 by a is equal to 4 and 1 by b equal to 12. Now the question is asking about a by bk. So if we, this implies a equal to 1 by 4. So if we multiply these two, a multiplied by 1 by a by b will be, this will be equal to 1 by 4 multiplied by 12, and that will be equal to 3. So a by b will be equal to 3. Now if we take log, so log a by b, that will be equal to log 3. So log a by b will be equal to log 3. Now it is given that log k is equal to 0.9, or k is equal to 10 to the power 10.9. So actually there is no need, we can also, there is no need of doing this. So from here k is 10 to power 0.9. So a by bk, now we can write a by bk equal to a by b multiplied by 1 by k, and that will be equal to a by b equal to 3, and that multiplied by 1 by k, that will be equal to 1 by 10 to the power 0.9. So it will be equal to 3 by 10 to the power 0.9. So now if we evaluate this by calculator, then it will give 0.3778. So the value will be, value of a by bk will be here 0.3778. So we can write here 0.3778. Next question is, for the transfer function gs equal to 5 multiplied by s plus 4 divided by s into s plus 0.25 multiplied by s square plus 4s plus 25. This is the transfer function given, and the values of the constant gain term at the highest corner frequency of the Bode plot respectively are. There are 4 alternatives given, and this question has been asked in GATE 2014 S2. So the transfer function is gs equal to 5 multiplied by s plus 4 divided by s into s plus 0.25 multiplied by s square plus 4s plus 25. Now the question is asking about the highest corner frequency of the Bode plot respectively. The values of constant gain term and the value of constant gain term and the highest corner frequency of the Bode plot are. So here what will be the constant term? So let us arrange this in a standard form. Let us arrange this equation in a standard form. So let us take out 4 common from here, and 0.25 from here, and 25 from here. So the term will be, now if we take common, then it will be 5 multiplied by 4, and it will be 1 plus s by 4 divided by s, and if we take 0.25 common here, so it will be 0.25 multiplied by here it will come 1 plus s by 0.25. Now if we take 25 common from here, 25, so it will come 25, and here 1 plus 4 by 25 s plus s square by 25. Now if we multiply 5 by 5 multiply by 4, then this will become 20. Now it will become 1 plus 0.25 s. Here 0.25 multiplied by 25, this will become 6.25. It is s. Now here 1 plus this one will become 4s. Here 1 plus 0.16 s, because if we divide this 4 by 25, then it will give 0.16. Here 0.04 plus here it will come 0.04 s square. Or here we can write here s by 5 this square, like that. We can write like that. Now if we divide this 20 by 6.25, this 20 by 6.25, then it will come like around 3.2, because so it will come like 3.2 if we divide this 20 by 6.25. So 1 plus 0.25 s, and this is s. 1 plus 4s. Here 1 plus 0.16 s plus this is s divided by omega. This is s divided by omega c. You can say omega c. So we can write here 5 this square. So now we can easily see what is the constant term. So constant term k is, constant term. Highest first one is constant term, constant gain term. So here constant gain term is equal to 3.2, this one. And corner frequencies are, from here we can see the corner frequencies are 4.25, and here this is 5. This is 5. So corner frequencies are this is 4.25, 4 and 5. One, 2, 5, 4 and 5. So the highest corner frequencies, so this one is the highest corner frequency. So the constant gain term is 3.2 and the highest corner frequency is this one. So the answer should be A. Now at the last of the lecture, I would like to share one of the most important thing to you people, that if you like my video, then you must subscribe my video, so that there is no need to search out new video. Automatic update will come if I upload the new videos. What you have to do, it is very simple. There is a circular logo coming in right of me. You have to just click on that to subscribe.